welcome to Let's Cook It. Today we want to show you how to make quick and easy, great appetizers. It's gluten-free cheese sticks. But before we start with the cheese sticks, I just want to thank all of our subscribers. Today, within the 8 months, our channel reached the 1,000 subscriber. Yes, 1,000 subscriber. This is a significant milestone for me, and I'm completely floored. My subscribers, viewers, and friends, this is just the beginning, and 1,000 thanks for your continuing support. And I'm always here trying my best to serve you better. Now let's start with our cheese sticks here, gluten-free cheese sticks. Let's move this on the side. I have here some leftover mashed potato in my fridge, and I'm gonna add some gluten-free, which is I'm using the gluten-free flour here. And 1 egg. Bring your fork and let's mix it all together. Very simple, very easy recipe to make. I'm gonna add a little bit olive oil. And when they all grab together, the flour and the potatoes, don't be afraid to use your hand. Voila, here we go. Beautiful, look at this, ready to go. Now, let's prepare the cheese here. I have some mozzarella cheese here, and I mixed it with a little bit cheddar cheese, so I crumble it a little bit here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add a little bit basil to it just to flavor it up. Give it a little mix. And I have the breaded crumbs here, gluten-free breaded crumbs. Gonna empty some in the bowl here. Now let's start with our cheese here. So what you need here, just a little, if you have a cooking spray on your hand, rub it. And grab a small amount. You grab one, it's about like 2 ounce ball, and flatten it up a little bit in your hand. Put the cheese in the middle and fold it both sides and start closing it up. Here we go. And now let's roll it, and that's how it's gonna look like, and ready to go in the breaded crumbs. Voila, another one. Just give it a little roll, put your finger in the middle, a little push, and cheese in the middle, fold, start closing it together. Voila. And ready to go in the breaded crumbs. Now the oil, it's ready to go on the 300. So let's start putting one at a time. We don't want to crowd it. We put like 2, 3 at the beginning, and then we'll put the rest. Voila! Nice. Look at this. This is ready to go. So I have paper towel here on the plate. I'm gonna put them on the plate first. Lovely. Nice. The last batch. Turn off. Voila. Beautiful. Now let's get the plate. I can use some garnish. Marinara sauce. So you can use marinara sauce. You can use sour cream or tomato sauce, whatever you like. Me, I'm using some marinara sauce here, and let's plate our gluten-free cheese sticks, right? Oh yeah, look at this, nice. If you start with the first bite and you can't stop, that's not my fault. It's amazing appetizer. So that will be all for you today. And thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And we'll see you next time. Take care.